Hi,
Hi.
do you know what living and non living things are?
I'm not pretty sure. Can you tell me a little about them?
Sure. Are you excited to learn?
Yes, I am.
So, what are living things?
Huh? Huh? A bear, a butterfly, a plant, a bird, and children?
Yes, all these are living things. These are all fine examples of living things which we find in the world around us. Human beings are also living things. So, what are the features of living things? Living things breathe. Living things need food. Living things grow. Living things feel and respond to changes. Living things reproduce. Living things grow old and die. Living things move.
Can you tell me a little more about them?
Sure, living things breathe. All living things breathe air to live. Breathing helps them to get energy from their food. Different living things have different parts of their body which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through tiny holes called stomata. Can you see the picture of the stomata below?
Yes, I can.
Fishes and some other water animals breathe through gills. The gills help them to take in air from the water in which they live. Insects breathe through tiny holes called spiracles on their bodies. Can you see the tiny black holes on the caterpillar?
Yes, I can.
Several land animals breathe through their nostrils.
I've got nostrils, and the baboon has red nostrils too.
Yes, it does. Living things need food. What do you do when you feel hungry?
I eat my food.
Yes, all living things need food to live. Plants can make their own food. They take in the water and nutrients from the soil, and in the presence of sunlight, they make their own food. Animals, however, need to move around to get food. Living things need energy which they get from food, and they use this energy to grow, to move, to work, and to play. Living things grow. Babies grow into adults, puppies become big dogs, baby animals become bigger animals, and seeds grow into small plants or trees. All living things grow with time. Have you seen your old photographs?
Yes, I have.
How are you different now?
I am taller.
Are you smarter too?
Yes, I am.
Right, that's good. Living things feel and respond to changes. Most animals have sense organs. Do you know how you feel and respond to changes?
Yes, I do.
You use your five sense organs to feel and respond. Do you know what your five sense organs are?
Yes, they are my ears, my nose, my ears, my eyes, my tongue, and my skin. I smell with my nose, I see with my eyes, I touch with my skin, I hear with my ears, and I taste with my tongue.
That's right. Most animals have sense organs which will help them to feel the changes in their surroundings, which is why when you feel hot, you like to stand under a fan or stand close to the plants which blow the cool breeze, or when you feel too cold, you like to wear warm clothes. Plants, however, don't have any sense organs, but they feel and respond to the changes around them. Plants always grow towards the light, and there are certain plants which don't like to be touched, just like the touch me not plant. Have you seen a touch me not plant?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Living things grow old and die. When they become old and die, they are no longer living things. Some living things, like worms, live for a few days and die, whereas some other living things, like trees and turtles and tortoises, live for hundreds and thousands of years. Do you know living things also move?
Yes.
Most animals move from place to place in search of food, water, and shelter. They also move to escape from their enemies.
The fish on one of the slides are swimming so fast, and the cheetah on one of the sides is running so beautifully.
Yes, so different animals use different parts of their body to move. Some animals use their legs, some use their fins. The birds use their wings to move from place to place. Plants are living things, but they don't move from one place to another. Just like you. You can ride a bicycle, but does your bicycle move by itself?
No, it
It is,
doesn't.
yeah, that's true. It is a non living thing. Non living things cannot move by themselves. Living things reproduce. What is reproduction? Reproduction means giving birth to young ones or having young ones. There are certain animals which reproduce by laying eggs, and there are certain other animals which give birth to young ones, which are called mammals. There are insects, worms, frogs, fishes, and other snakes which give birth to young ones by laying eggs. These eggs later hatch into young ones. Most plants reproduce through seeds. The seeds grow into new plants, and when they fall on the ground and get right amount of light, air, water, and nutrients, they soon become new plants. There are a lot of plants which reproduce through parts like their stem, their roots, or even their leaves. Did you know that?
Yes, I did. Wow, that was very fun. Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.